Hello and welcome to Explain That, and this is a guide on how to change your region on TikTok. Note that this might be a temporary fix only or a permanent one if you have availed the first option. So let's get started. First, open up your TikTok account. Go to Profile and then tap on the three horizontal lines. Click on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you see the privacy option. In here, after selecting the privacy, go on to the location services and you should go on the while using or never option. But in this case, it should be on never. You can also delete your location history. And that's for only double checking whenever you have done the TikTok's account to be connected on to your external browser. In here, you can just search on the VPN. This is for the first option. Search on the VPN, and one I could recommend is NordVPN. The second option would be by going into your respective browser onto your mobile, in this case Opera. Search on TikTok. Make sure that this browser has an inbuilt VPN as well, because VPN is what allows us to change regions to regions. This is only the temporary way on how to get your TikTok's account to get changed onto regions. In here, just tap on the virtual location, and here there's also a monthly payment if you are wanting to have more than those 3 given free VPN locations. But in this case, whenever your VPN is activated, it should be connected. And that's about it. This is Explain That, and that's how to change your region on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends by notifying that bell as well. As always, stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Explain That.